Today's lesson is about Venn diagrams and inductive, deductive reasoning. On Venn diagrams are represented by a series of circles that may or may not be overlapping. In this case, we have the set of L, which overlaps the set of M. This is the symbol for set. We have open brackets, then closed. In between this set of brackets, you would list the numbers, if this is the set of numbers, or things, or items, or whatever it is you have a set of. This is the symbol for an empty set. Empty set simply means there is no answer to the question. This is the symbol for union. Union means we want all of the elements that are in the set or the set of sets that you're asked for or given. This is the symbol for intersection. Intersection means where they overlap. That would be this part right here. That would be the intersection of sets L and M. This symbol is read is a subset of. So if I had a subset of X and Y that were, one is inside the other, or X is inside of Y, I could say that X is a subset of Y. Inductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning is a conclusion based on observation. An example of this would be you have the myth that an egg will balance on its end on the spring equinox. However, you observe that it balances on its end on July the 8th and the 19th of December. These dates are not the spring equinox. Therefore, this myth is false. That's a conclusion based on observation. Inductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning, on the other hand, is a conclusion that's based on logic and or science. An example of that would be this. There's a myth that the Great Wall of China can be seen from the moon. Well, we have evidence taken from science that the Great Wall is difficult to see in photographs 180 miles above the Earth. That is, when they're orbiting the Earth, it's difficult to see. The moon is 270,000 miles above the Earth. Therefore, we can logically deduce that the Great Wall of China cannot be seen from the moon, because it's much farther away than 180 miles, and at 180 miles, you can just barely see it. That's deductive reasoning based on logic or science. I would like for you to take the check for understanding. You'll find this on Edmodo. Look for lesson 1.6.